Perfection doesn't come easy. It's late nights, early mornings, thinking about every detail, every curve, every millimeter, millisecond. Pushing beyond the limits, but always crafting with precision. Obsessing over performance, the weight, the texture, the beauty, the color. Building a vision piece by piece. You hear the engine start. Feel your heart beating, pulse racing, force rumbling in your bones, drawing silent strength from within, harnessing the force. Supercharged sensory experience, perfection never coming easy. Synapses firing, eyes gleaming, inspiration burning bright. Always pushing beyond the limits, always challenging every convention, every limit. Precision forged in speed. Only then can we present something carefully tuned across design, performance and craft. Driven by obsession, Realme GT7 Dream Edition, co-designed with Aston Martin F1 team.